So the airbag got triggered by the deer incident. We're going to make a start on doing the repairs. So first thing on the leaf, there's a couple of these little plastic trim covers, one each side. Should just come out by hand. Yes, it does. I'll pick it back up off the floor, put it with the other one that I've already taken out, and then you can see down inside the hole there's a security Torx bolt, one each side, like so. Uses the security Torx tool, so it's the Torx tool with the hole in the tool to take the spike in the middle of the bolt. We're going to pop the two bolts out, and then the whole assembly should just pop off as one. So I've already disconnected the 12-volt battery, but quite clearly, as this one's been off before, there's no chance of this one triggering unexpectedly. Here's one of the bolts, got some thread locking compound on it. The other one on the other side is just the same. Going to whip that one out too. The second bolt dropped down inside the steering wheel housing, but that should be very easy to retrieve once the pad is removed. So here's the replacement steering wheel pad I've bought. These are crazy money, brand new, so I sourced a used second-hand one. Rather weirdly, it still has the remove before mounting sticker inside it, but hey, the bolt holes you can see here on each side, those are what hold it to the steering wheel, and obviously the wires are for the steering wheel controls. So just going to pull the old one off and we'll get them swapped over. So the old one literally just slides out. You can see the cables in the back here. Just got to undo these two connections that I can finish taking it away. Plug the other one in, bolt it up, and they're going to check for any fault codes. The wiring multi-plugs just have little tabs on them that need to be depressed. I use a little spike or a flat-bladed screwdriver usually. And then the connection on the airbag, you have to pull back the black safety tab. Once that's pulled off, the connection will come away clean. The black safety catch just pulls out easily, and then this will just wiggle away and we're ready to do the swap. And as they say, refitting is the reverse of removal. So we're going to do the yellow multi-plug for the airbag, the two multi-plugs for the steering wheel controls, slot the airbag into place and put the two bolts back. So here's the bolt that dropped in while I was undoing it. I've got a little magnetic retriever, and as expected, really easy to get to. So we're away. The little plastic covers that go over the bolt holes just clip back into place. Line it up and press, and that's it. We'll click and it's home. Finished. So that looks a bit more like it. Going to just delete the fault code for the steering wheel airbag, and then we'll carry on with the rest of the repairs as time allows. And there we have it, ready to fight another day, all sorted.